Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Fuelster on-demand fuel delivery app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Fuelster is an on-demand fuel delivery service app designed to bring fuel directly to your vehicle wherever you are, at home, at work, or on the go. The app eliminates the need to stop at gas stations by connecting you with professional drivers who deliver fuel safely and efficiently. It's available for both iOS and Android users and operates primarily in select regions within the United States. The app's main feature allows users to request a fuel delivery through a few simple taps. After confirming your location, vehicle type, and fuel preference, a Fuelster driver is dispatched to fill your tank while you continue your day uninterrupted. The app provides live tracking, secure payment options, and notifications when the service is complete. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Fuelster's convenience, professional staff, and time-saving nature. It's especially useful for corporate fleets, busy professionals, and residents of large urban areas where gas stations can be inconvenient or crowded. The transparent pricing and eco-friendly routing are additional advantages users frequently mention. However, there are some drawbacks. The service is currently limited to certain cities, and delivery availability may vary depending on location and demand. Some users have noted higher prices compared to traditional gas stations, as well as occasional scheduling delays during peak hours. In addition, as with any app-based service, reliable internet and location permissions are essential for smooth operation. In summary, the Fuelster app may be worth using if you value convenience, efficiency, and time savings, and you're in an area where the service operates. However, if you prefer refueling on your own terms or live outside Fuelster's current coverage zones, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.